अबे बॉल कहाँ जा रहा है?
I'm going to Shillong now.
Oh guys, you see, it's a very cold, foggy morning, and now we are off to Shillong. Road trip begins from here. Oh, इस जगह का नाम क्या है? विवेकानंद रोड ना? So guys, the road trip begins from Vivekananda Road, and now we are off to सोनापुर. सोनापुर जाएंगे, उधर जाकर थोड़ा ड्रोन उड़ाएंगे, फोटो शूट्स करेंगे. So trip begins. So friends, we are on the way to Shillong, and now we are taking a tea at Marwari Dhaba, Ramnagar. बे, तू अपना कॉफी दिखा.
चैट भी दिखाओ क्या अबे?
नहीं अब चैट मत दिखा. So guys, now we are on the mountains. See, so much fog, zero visibility. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं सोनापुर, पहुंच जाएंगे. इसके बाद हम लोग उड़ाएंगे ड्रोन. Keep watching, देखते जाओ आगे होता है क्या.
Feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember.
So guys, now we are on the Joy bypass, Shillong, and we will reach Shillong by 30 minutes. See the view guys, so cool. Straight roads. So guys, after traveling 250 kilometers from Silchar, we reached Shillong. We will go left side to Shillong, and this is the bypass. If we take if we take right, then we will reach Guwahati. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching.